Good evening, students. Today we are discussed about the second year class. Second year English subject, second lesson, 2 students. Third semester, second lessons, 2 students. 2 students is written by Mahatma Gandhi. I will show you a text on which is the matter. You will see, and I will explain the matter to students. To students is the speech is exactly speech is given by our national father Mahatma Gandhi is addressing the students. He is addressing the students. Now we will discuss about the Mahatma Gandhi, what is his history and what is the his a brief introduction. You see, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, reversionally addressed as a Mahatma and father of the nation, was one of the most influential thinkers and political leaders that the country has ever produced. His name is synonymous with the principles of truth, satyagraha, and non-violence. They were his weapons. During the Indian freedom movement, in a world riddled with wars, rifts, and conflicts, these principles are cherished by all who love peace. He never swayed. He never swayed from his principles. And he practiced what he preached. Gandhiji is also popular writer. His autobiography, My Experiments with Truth. His autobiography is My Experiments with Truth is testimony to his avowed principles. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi, or his full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, reversionally addressed as a Mahatma and father of the nation, was one of the most influential thinkers and political leaders that the country has ever produced. One of the most worldwide popular man. He is the father of the nation of the India, and he is the political leader, and the country has ever produced. The country has never produced that personality man again in the India. His name is synonymous. His name is synonymous with the principles of truth. His personality with always followed the truth, and the synonym of the truth is the one of the personality is the Mahatma Gandhi in the worldwide, and satyagraha and the non-violence were his they were his weapons during the Indian freedom movement. When the Indian freedom movement going on, he has taken as a weapons satyagraha and non-violence. They were his weapons during the Indian freedom movement. When the movement is going on in 1940s, the Gandhiji's weapons are satyagraha and non-violence. He did not any of the not taken the violence. He has followed always non-violence. In a world riddled with the wars, rifts, and conflicts, these principles are cherished by all who love peace. In that movement, in 1940s movement, in the world riddled with the wars, the time as a 19 movements as going on. First World War in 1918 and Second World War is in 1945. The World War is going time that 19 movements. with a riddle, wars, rifts, and conflicts. These principles are cherished by all who love peace. But which are the principles of a Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi's principles are cherished who love the peace members, who want to ambish the peace. They are very cherished the weapons of the Mahatma Gandhis. He never strayed from his principles. He did not separate the which are the his principles. He is never strayed and he is never forgotten the principles. And he practiced what he preached. And he practiced what he preached. Gandhiji also the popular writer. Gandhiji also himself is a great writer and his writings are the worldwide popular. His autobiography, My Experiment with Truth, My Experiments with Truth is a testimony to his avowed principles. Testimony is a avowed principles. One of the most written of the autobiography, the My Experiments with Truth. My Experiments with Truth is Mahatma Gandhi's autobiography. It's a testimony to his avowed principles. What are the principles are followed Mahatma Gandhi? He has explained the total of his experience about the truth and non-violence. He has explained in his writings, My Experience with the Truth. But what is the importance of lesson? What is the importance of a lesson? We want to know. We want to know it for the implementation of the sermon, implementation of the ceremony. Okay, when you want to listen or when you are listen the lesson, you want to remember or you want to think in your mind why why he has given the speech, why we want to read the Gandhiji's lesson. You will think and you will warm up your minds. Now he has given the addressing the students. You listen. What is the main important of the speech? Many students have no clear idea about the purpose of the education and knowledge. Now in present days, no one student has no clear idea about the purpose of education and knowledge. Why we want to learn the education? We want to go for the education and we want to gain the knowledge. On which purpose? They want to no idea. They are no idea about that education and knowledge. They tend to follow others blindly. The 90 members of the students are blindly who are the seniors and who are the neighbors. They are followed. Who is a student's neighbor? Which group he has selected? And that group also he has selected the candidate. They are followed the all blindly the rules who are the neighbors. Education is aimed at bringing enlightenment. Education is aimed at bringing enlightenment among students. Education is aimed at bringing enlightenment among students. Only education is the aimed at brings enlightenment of among students. Only source is the enlightenment of the only themselves. Enlightenment is the only education, not the other sources. This enlightenment brings the only through the education. Have you ever produced other the fact that all religions have a positive impact in building one's character? Have you ever produced over the fact that all religions have a positive impact in building one's character? Every religion has given the pondered over the fact. What is the human's fact? What is the human rules fact? What is the human being fact? What is the human living facts? Every religion has explained, and that all religions have a positive impact. All religions has a take the as a positive impact on their minds in a building one's character. The religion's messages given the a good conduct of a human. They builds a good character in a human beings. Should students take part in politics? The students are participate in a politics. They have to take a one of the part in politics. And have you ever thought about in importance of a truthful dealing in building a vibrant nation? Okay, have you ever thought about the importance of your truthfulness in the human mind? When you follow the truthfulness in the human mind or a human character, dealing with a or dealing with the building a vibrant nation. Suppose every citizen of India has followed the truthfulness, and every citizen have a building have a good character in their minds, that builds the a vibrant nation. That's builds the a vibrant nation throughout the world. The views of the father of the nation and a great mobilizer of the message. Mobilizer of the masses are as relevant on these matters as follows. Okay, the use of the father of the nation and a great mobilizer of the masses are as relevant on these matters as ever. But which is a good character built through the education, and the good character built with the masses also. He as the father of the nation. He has given the message to the father of the nation of the India. He has given to the message to the students and citizen for the India. And whatever the lesson you have to see, the message of the text you have to see and you have to understand. But what are the principles you have to see? Okay, in the world riddled wars and reflects in a conflict, that these principles are cherished by all who love peace. He has explained his innocence and is a good message for the students and who are the masses of India. He has explained the truthfulness and a good character of building through the education, and which is the lesson you have to listen and you have to read. The most importance of the essay. In this essay, Gandhi presents some clear ideas before the students community for acquiring a knowledge, and expounds on the purpose of gaining such a knowledge. Okay, in this two students lesson, Mahatma Gandhi presents some clear ideas. What are the most important ideas about the students, and most important ideas follow the students? What was the most futureful to the students? He has explained. What are the clear ideas before the students community for acquiring knowledge? For on which purpose we want to acquire the knowledge, and expounds on the purpose of gaining such knowledge. But what is the purpose of gaining of the knowledge? But which is the expense of the gaining of the knowledge? He opinions that knowledge is intended mainly for the building of character. Gandhi opines that knowledge is intended mainly for the building of character. Which person is gaining the knowledge? Which person is building of a good character? That is the mainly of a building of character, which is the knowledgeable person, which is the maintained or intended mainly for the building of a character. Every person has a building the character. Students should realize the importance of the purity of a personal life. Every student and all the students should have to realize the importance of a purity of personal life. Purity of a personal life, which is the basis for acquiring a sound education. Every student must have the purity of personal life. He has to maintain the purity in his innocence and in his character. When he is maintain the a powerful character. That is the main important. That is the main important. Okay, students should have realized the importance of a purity of a personal life, which is the basis for acquiring a sound education. When he has a purity, when he has a truthfulness in his mind, that is the basis for acquiring a knowledge. That is the basis for acquiring a knowledge. That is the learning of the knowledge and a sound education. And he is acquiring a sound education when he has a purity in his personal life. And Gandhiji understood through keen observation of the students that the degree of their desires had to be multiplied. Gandhiji understood, Gandhiji explained, Gandhiji thorough the keen observation of the students that the degree of their desires had to be multiplied. They want to take out the graduation and they want to take out the post graduation of the purpose of the gaining of the salary or purpose of the gaining of the employment, not for the enlighten themselves. That is the main rebate of the students. When they are thinking about themselves, they want to gaining of the knowledge and purpose of the implement of the truthfulness and the purity of the personal life. When they want to go, they are acquiring a good education. And he has most observations of the students that the degrees of their desires. Every student have to take the degree as much as possible. As much as possible. That is their desireness. That is not the ambition. That is not the truthfulness. And they had to be multiplied. And they want to take out the more degrees. And they want to take out the more qualifications. Not for the implementation of the acquiring of the knowledge. But when they are multiplied the degrees, they have acquired the knowledge up to bottom. That is the most powerfulness in the acquiring of a knowledge. And according to Gandhi, all religions possess the basic credits, basic trait of the truth and innocence. Every religion has explained. That is what are the most of the religions in the world? Popularized religions: Hinduism, Muslims, and Christian, and Zoroastrian, and Buddhist, and Jainist. These are the worldwide popularized religions, and every religion possesses the basic trait of your truth and innocence. Every religion has told that the truth and innocence is the important in a character. Truthfulness and innocence is the very, very important in one's life and one's character. That is the most important. And truthfulness is the key to a pure life. Truthfulness is the key to a pure life. Truthfulness is the key to a pure life for the basis of life. Truthfulness is the key to a pure life in his mind. Since our civilization is primarily rural, all the civilizations came from the rural areas, from the villages, grams in the Indian rurals. The students need to understand a village life in order to fulfill its requirements. Every student, all of your students, you have to recognize the purity of life and villagers' life. You have to understand the villagers' life in order to fulfill its requirements. What is the most of the villagers want to? What are the requirements to the basis for life? He has explained. And Gandhiji warns against the population explosion in the country. And he warns to the students how the population is increased every decade of years. How the population is increased in the year by year. How the coming sources are the decreases. how the coming sources are decreases for the needy people. And he has a warned to the students about the population explosion in the country. Population explosion is the very most dangerous to the country. And he also seeks to get rid of the men conception that abounds among many people that others will necessarily cause harm. But Gandhi warns against the population explosion in the country. He also seeks to get rid of the misconception that abounds among many people that others will necessarily cause harm. Every man don't misconception of the people, and that bonds among many people that others will necessarily cause harms. You don't harm to the others. You don't harm thinkiness in your mind. That is the very bad thinking of the people way in the India. And the students community wants to realize the purity life of the villagers. And what is the understanding life of the villagers you have to realize. And Gandhiji also believes that the control over one's own thoughts and ideas is to root of a character building. And Gandhiji also believes that the control of the one's own ideas and one's thoughts and ideas is the root of the character building. What is the root of the character building is the main important for the purity life. And he exhorts students to stay away from a strikeness and a party politics. And he exhorts students to stay away from a strikes and party politics. And he has given the suggestions to the he has exhorts to students stay away from the strikes and party politics. When the parties are go to the strikes, you don't participate in the strikes. But what is the usefulness for the strikeness? Every officer is late and every student is late to the late to the class. But they are losses so much of their time. That's why you don't participate in the strikes and party politics. But which is the matter of the politics is the best way of giving the good suggestion and good matter to the population, but not to the others. And you have to follow what is the good way of living and good way of building character. And he argues them to introspect repeatedly before they reject his advice. But when he has not rejected his advice in his own, but you have to introspect yourself when you are rejected your ideas repeatedly before they reject his advice. When you are taking the advice of the rejected, you have to think more of the rejected ideas in your mind, and then you will follow what are the good ideas in your mind, and what are the benefits of in your mind you have to follow. And what is the innocence and what is the purity of life you have to build up. Your character in the mind. That is the most of the important in your life. And then what is the other way of living is most important. What is the other way of living is the most important in the life. Students cannot afford to have a party politics. They may hear all parties as they read all stories of books. The students are acquiring a knowledge of all types of the story books they want to read. But their business is assimilate the touch of all the rejects the balance. But when they are going to a balancing, or when they are thinking of the business mind, they are not taken out that is the good way of the balancing. When they are thinking in a business way, that is the only worth attitude that they can take. When they are reading the most of the books, then gaining of the knowledge, that they can take the power from the education, and power politics should be taken to the students world. Power politics don't go to the power politics. You have to take the which of the realization meant for the life is the most important in your choices or in your way of life is the most of the important. And immediately they dabbled in the classes work. Every student go for their class work and every student go for their storybooks in every assimilation, and every followed the member of the knowledge is only through the reading books, or gaining of the knowledge is only reading books. That is the main important. They cease to be a students to will, therefore fail to serve the country in its crisis. Let them therefore think 50 times before rejecting my advices. When you are rejecting the Gandhi's advices, you have to think many times, not the one time, not the two or three more times. You have to think and you have to follow the more prospectus of the follows, which are the good thinking or which are the good character building, which is the good gaining of the knowledge is the more important. But which is the Buddhist rules and which is the Jain's rules, you have to follow and you have to warm up in your mind, which is the basic idea of the living, basic ideas of the living. But which are the rural areas of the students, they have to understood their knowledge for the purpose of their coming to the knowledge. But which are the urban area students, they are not followed the basic rules for the purpose of gaining knowledge. They want to take out as a part of the ruling, but they want to take out as the loudiness of the people ideas. But which is the most wonderful of the ideas to take out as a good thinking way of living. But he has explained, the Gandhi is explained about the most powerful ideas when we have a mind, when we have the mind, when we have to observe the steadiness in the society, steadiness in the society, that is the most important in your mind thoughtness. When you are following a good thinking or when you are following a good thoughtness in your mind is the basic need of the pupils, basic need of the pupils. When it is a resembled, when it's a resembled in your mind or when you are thinking in your mind, it's a building of the good character. When you have to follow, when the students are followed the truthfulness, innocence in their mind or in their way, in their way of living, when they go, they build up a very good character in their mind or in their livingness. But otherwise they are losses, and otherwise they are losses, and otherwise they are not taking the as much as the proficiency, as much as the proficiency, and then which is the basic requirements for life you want to gain, which are the basic lioness of the students, basic lioness of the students. But most of the students have followed the, which is the basic reflectness in the mind. Basic reflectness in the mind is not the way of living in a bad way in the nowadays of the students has followed. But every student has followed the or build up a good character to the goodness of the society, and then they will follow the a good message to the students, when they are followed for the nation and build up a good message to the society. most of the students were not followed the good symbol of the life, a good symbol of the living life. They are not followed the as a mentioned in the a symbol of the lowness in their mind. That is the ambitious, that is the ambitious, and that is the most powerful to the in their minds. And then they have to build up a good character, they have to build up a good character in their mind. They have to follow the a good and a truthfulness and innocence in their minds. Every student has followed the most important rules for the education, but which is the purpose? Or they want to gaining the knowledge, but which is the purpose of they want to taking the knowledge, and which purpose of they want to earn their time, which purpose of they want to paid their time for the gaining of the knowledge is the most important. And then which is the basic idea of the gaining knowledge is when they are mind they are no, or they are not the waiting, or they are not the losing of the time and losing of the proficiency. And when they are followed the discipline, when the students are followed the discipline in their mind, and they are when they are followed their parents attitude, and they are when they are followed in their villagers movements, and which is the purity of life in their life is the most important in their, they want to take out as a major part of their lives is the most important in their liveness, and which is the requirement for the living life, which is the requirement for a living life is also most important. When they are following in their minds is also basic need, and also basic need for the implementation of the good conduct of the character, good conduct of the character. When they should follow, and which is the Gandhi's rules, non-violence and truthfulness is the major part of the molding of the characters, molding of the characters. But when they have to follow the rules of the Gandhi is innocence, and he is a very powerful in his life. But which is the truthfulness, and which is the innocence, and which is the characterness, when he has followed all these things, when he has not followed these all, his life is a spoil, his life is a spoilness. And they want to realize the maintaining of the good character, they want to realize the maintaining of a good character in their lives. That is the most important. But most of the students are not followed the good qualities or a good characters. They want to blindly follow their neighbors, or their elders. They are blindly follow their neighbors and their co-followers. That is not way of taking a character. That is not the way of taking the character. When they have to realize themselves, when they have to thinking, or they have good thoughts in their minds, it's the most important the ambitions of the students, most important of the ambitions of the students. That is the very every student of the needing. The students are followed always for the maintaining of the good qualities and a good discipline in their mind and good discipline in their character, when they will build up a good character. Otherwise they are not followed the innocence in their mind. They want to take out the responsibilities. Every student has take out their responsibilities. What is the implementation of their family members, and what is the responsibilities of on their families, and which is the purpose of they want to go to college, or which is the purpose of they want to get the knowledge for the needing of a character. Needing of a character is the most important, otherwise they will be very less character is maintained, very less character are maintained. That is the most dangerous in their life. That is the most dangerous in their life. The students are develop a good character and a good mind, and when they are followed a good discipline, and when they are followed a good innocence in their lives, that is the building of a good character. That is the building of a good character. And Gandhi warns about the population, exploration in the India. The most of the communities are not controlling of the population exploration, but he has explained what is the importance of a Quran. My reading of the Quran had led me the same conclusion. No one can harm us so much we can ourselves. If you are therefore brave boys and a brave girls, you will fight a desperately and violently against the whole brood of these thoughts. No sinful act has even done in this world without the prompting of a sinful thoughts. You have to exercise strict vigilance over every thought welling up in your breast. Have you experimented with a quite a number of boys in order to understood how best in impart religious instructions, and whilst I found that book instruction was somewhat for an aid by itself, it was the useless religious instruction I discovered was important best by teachers living the religion themselves. Who are the teachers? They want to take out as a part of the mold of the character for the students. Molding of the characters is a responsibility of the student, responsibility of the teachers. The student character is molding as a responsibility to the students is a more important in their attitude. And most of the students have taken out as a scholarship in their lives for the implementation of the good life. But which is the needfulness, but which is the most useful for the in their life is the most important. And every student, and Gandhiji explained, written often enough against strikes by students and pupils, except on the rest of occasions. Rarest of the occasions, I hold it to be quite wrong on the part of students and pupils to take a part in a politics demonstrations and a party politics. Such ferments interferes with a serious study and makes students unfit for solid work as a future citizens. As a future citizens is the most important in their mind. Most important in their mind. It's a very placeful in their minds. Very placeful in their minds. Okay, Gandhiji warns to the students: don't participate in the party politics. Don't strikes. Don't go for the strikes. The strikes spoil your lives. The strikes have spoiled your lives. But it's not a way of taking the actions against the governments or against the public. Whenever taken out against the government, it's a harm to your life. It's a harm to your life. When it's a blindly followed the students, they are go to for a non-violence. It's not the building of a good character way of living. a good attitude of the students. That the a good bravery of the students is the most important. Most important. That the fullest moment of the enjoyment is a gaining of the good character. Gaining of the good character is the most important in their lives. And implementation of the pure life is also very important in the students' life is the most usefulness.